this is Anna Christina sharing tools of hope with the Resilience Builders. I was just thinking about situations where we feel forced in life. We feel forced. There's so many situations that we can't control, so many circumstances that we can't control, especially right now. And there's a simple tool that you can use to stop feeling so pressured and so forced and so anxious. And that tool is the idea of being very aware of your language. So we have to do all these things, right? We have things on our to-do list, and I have to do this, I have to do that, I have to do the other. And just this one switch, just this one tool will begin to make a difference that you would never have guessed that it could make. And that tool is changing the I have to into something else. So I have to finish up some projects today. I have to reach out to about 6 or 7 people and send them information about the new summit that's coming up. I have to go pick up my new glasses today. I have to go and visit with my parents and help them out. Okay, so those are like the I have to's. The trouble with I have to is that it feels like it's coming from an outside source. It feels like it's coming from an outside place, even to our unconscious. And what we can do instead is literally substitute one word. Get. What? Yeah, I get to. I get to go visit with my parents and help them out. I get to go pick up new glasses. I get to reach out to 6 people for my new summit for women's resilience. I get to finish up this project that I have been battling for weeks. I get to package up Seeds of Hope cards because there's tens of thousands of them in my living room. So every time I have a little break, I throw on some gloves and I create some more packages. I get to do these things. And all of a sudden you start to listen and feel, and it just looks different. Just, I get to. It changes your perspective. This is Anna Christina sharing tools of hope with the Resilience Builders. I'll see you in the next video.